What should I consider when I'm doing the lower lash line?
Oh my gosh, this question got me like completely off guard because I definitely have like a love-hate relationship with the lower lash line. Like I wouldn't say that I do it so much. Some clients look really good with it. Before you even consider doing it, that's going to be your tip number one. Draw it on one eye and take a picture, maybe show it to your client, see if it's gonna even look good. Another thing is to consider, I always educate my clients that sometimes the lower lash line, especially if it's done bold and very dark and saturated and with black, makes the eye look smaller versus actually bigger and opening the eye. So make sure that you pre-draw it, show it to your client, look yourself, see if it looks good, and then only then do it. So that's the first tip, number one. Number two is that I never use black pigment on the lower lash line. I always use brown, even if the client wants the black. In the first procedure, I'll educate them and I will do brown anyway because you can always upgrade to black. Number three, please make sure that you stay within the lash line. So you stay where the lashes grow and you don't go any lower. The moment you step lower, the skin has wrinkles, right? Like has folds. So when you stretch, you feel like the line is straight. The moment you let it go, the line could break. So it's not gonna look as good. In the lash line, where the lashes grow, that doesn't happen. So that's the third tip that I would suggest.